Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have another gardening episode for you. If you saw one of my recent posts, I did an unboxing video. A friend of mine named Papa Pepper, he's here on YouTube as well. Down below I'll put a link where you can check out his channel. Make sure to subscribe to him. Really cool guy and does a lot of cool things on his homestead. And he sent me some cuttings from his dragon fruit cactus, or also called Pitahaya. And so here they are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to plant these. And so I'll take the camera outside. It's a little warm outside, that's why I'm kind of inside right now, and then I'll go outside just for a short while to show you how I'm going to plant these and see if I can't get these to root. All right, let's go outside. All right, so here we go. Here we are in my patio garden, and what I'm going to do is just show you how I'm going to plant these. So normally what you do when you would get a cutting, like if you were to cut it off, you want to let it sit for a while, and so it can scab over where it was cut. Because if you just cut it and then put it in the ground, there's potential for diseases and things like that to happen. And so since Papa Pepper, he cut these and shipped them to me. So they've already had time to scab over, so they're ready to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an experiment with these. I have 4 cuttings here. So I'm going to do 2 of them with rooting powder and 2 without rooting powder. Generally, it's a good idea to use some kind of rooting hormone whenever you do any kind of cuttings, but we're going to go ahead and just try that out that way. Okay, so I got my rooting powder here. And I'm just going to put it all over my cutting. Sometimes they have rooting gel, also works really nice. This will probably be fine. And then I'm going to just move this over here. I'm going to just go down a couple inches here in this soil. And I'm going to put just a little bit of the powder in there as well. And I'm just going to stick it in like so. And there we go. All right, that is the first one. So let me do the other ones. So this one I'm going to put across from it, and I'm going to put rooting powder on that one as well. Whoop, that's kind of a lot. All right, that's probably enough. Awesome. All right, so I think I'm gonna change my mind. I think I'm gonna put these 2 just in this one, and then I'm gonna put the other 2 without rooting powder in different pots. It'll just be easier to tell that way, and I want to give them more room since these obviously aren't in the ground. I want to give the roots more room to grow. So I think I'll do that instead. Okay, so I got this little pot here, and remember, I'm just going to stick this one in the ground without any rooting powder. And see if we can't get him to grow as well. And then this little guy, I'm going to just put in this small one. And then if he starts to grow, I'll just transplant him. So pretty easy. Like I said, if you just have a fresh cutting, make sure to let it scab over before you plant it. All right, and then you just go ahead and water them really well this first time, and then water them periodically. And it's going to be a fun little experiment. They're supposed to grow really well here in Arizona, so I guess we shall see how these do. I'll probably do a couple update videos in the future as well to show their progress. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also, don't forget to check out Papa Pepper's channel here on YouTube. Once again, I'll put a link down below where you can check out his channel. See you next time.